This is part 2 of 8 short videos in the Getting Started with Primescan 2 series. In this video, I will show you how to use the intuitive tapping feature to streamline your scanning workflow.
When scanning a patient, you don't want to touch a screen or interface. That's where the tapping sensor enhances your workflow, allowing you to control the scan with a simple tap. It's easy, you will see, but we need to go over what to do and when together. To change modes and switch from 3D to 2D, tap 3 times.
You will see the image in 3 different formats: intraoral photo and 2 images to help detect caries, fluorescence and near-infrared. Hold the scanner steady, a timer will appear and the image will be shot.
Easy, right? On the 3D mode, to change catalog, tap 2 times. That's it. You now intuitively navigate the tapping consoles.
That's it for part 2. You have just seen how to operate Primescan 2. Let's move on to the next video, where we will talk about cloud-native intraoral scanning with Primescan 2.